Keeping the pot boiling, exploring English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, keep the pot boiling. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add flavor to your English conversations. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. At its core, keep the pot boiling is used to describe continuing activities or efforts to ensure the achievement of a goal. It's like keeping a pot of water on the stove at a boil. You need to keep the heat up, or it will stop boiling. In real-life terms, this means maintaining enthusiasm, progress, or activity to achieve a desired outcome. This idiom comes from a time when cooking over an open fire was common. To keep a pot boiling was a literal necessity for cooking. Metaphorically, it transitioned into an idiom that means maintaining momentum in an endeavor. This transition showcases the beautiful way language evolves, taking literal meanings and turning them into figurative expressions that capture the imagination. Incorporating idioms like keep the pot boiling into your English can make your speech more colorful and natural. Here are a few examples. In the workplace, we need to keep the pot boiling on this project to meet our deadlines. In personal goals, I'm taking extra courses to keep the pot boiling on my language learning journey. In creative projects, let's keep the pot boiling by brainstorming new ideas every week. Understanding and using idioms like keep the pot boiling can enrich your English communication, making it more vibrant and engaging. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is practice and context, so don't hesitate to use them in your daily conversations. We hope this video has been helpful in exploring the depth and beauty of English idioms. Keep the pot boiling on your language learning journey, and see you in the next video.